I am taking apart a Maytag front loading dryer because we want to clean out the underneath the lint trap where the impeller is, way down here. And the reason is because clothes are not drying as well as they used to. And it happens probably twice a year that the clothes don't dry totally during a full cycle, and then we open up below the lint trap inside, and the impeller is completely full of lint. So in order to take this apart, and this model is a MED 5630HW1. First thing we need to do is go down to the bottom here and undo, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4 on the bottom of the panel, 1/4-inch sheet metal screws. Then we have to go behind the top here and remove 2 5/16 sheet metal screws, and then we can slide back the top here and remove the top, and then we can remove these 1/4-inch sheet metal screws over here to remove the front face plate. Once we remove the front face plate, we'll be able to remove everything. So I actually removed these 1/4-inch screws, and as you can see, it exposes some more 1/4-inch screws to take off the front face. This wire is kind of holding this up, so I'm going to try to loosen this wire a little bit so I can kind of flip this control panel off to the side. Okay, so I'm going to remove this 1/4-inch. 1, 2, 3, and I also removed 2 Phillips head screws, sheet metal screws earlier there. Let's see how we're doing here. Yep, that's it. And then there's kind of a couple hangers here. As you can see, you gotta be careful. There is some wires here. Let's see where these go to. Okay, there's a harness that I can undo back here so it doesn't stretch it too much. And let's see if I can undo the harness. Okay, there we go. Undid the harness, there's one tab. Put that aside. Okay, now we have total access here, and this is what we want to get to. We want to take this off to expose the impeller. One, two, three. 3. Is that it? Oh, looks like there's one more that I'm missing. Something holding on here. It's this thing right here. This is like a little kickstand here. Just take that off like that. It kind of goes back under. This is a kickstand that holds that up. Now we can remove that. We got some lint in here, not as much as I had thought. And there's some lint in here too that needs to be cleaned out. A ton over here. We can actually take this apart now and take a look at what's inside here. So we got one screw here. Looking inside. So in the end, after just cleaning out a little bit, we were able to sneak a little bit of a vacuum into behind the impeller, got out some more lint, and the dryer is drying the clothes better than it has in a year. So taking it apart, getting in there, getting to the areas where you really can't, just from going through the lint trap, definitely makes a big difference. Highly recommend it.